You can build an online community and curate content with member sites. Pages you add to a member site are automatically hidden behind a paywall, allowing you to monetize your content and grow your audience. To create a member site, navigate to your Pages panel and select the plus icon, and then select Member Site. From here, you can update the pages of your member site to showcase content like courses, events, or even add a bookable schedule. Select Pricing Plan to create one or multiple pricing plans. Here you can choose to charge a fixed amount, a recurring subscription, or choose to make your content free for your members. Next, add a digital product block to a public page on your site to allow your visitors to sign up for that membership and create an account to access your paywalled content. Please let us know if you have any other questions. We're always here to help.